So you misplaced your AirPods, you lost one bud, you lost the left or the right or even the entire case. Don't know where they are, how to replace your AirPods, updated edition. Because technically I made this video in 2019, so I wanted to refresh the video with a fresh coat of paint. Now before we get into that, word from my sponsor. This is one of my favorites. As a content creator, the music is just as important, and I recommend Epidemic Sound. I've been using the service for about 2 years now. They offer high quality, professionally produced 35,000 tracks and over 90,000 sound effects. As a Twitch streamer, YouTuber, Instagrammer, you know it's important to have royalty-free music. And the best thing of all, you're getting new tracks every single week. It doesn't matter whether you're a video creator on YouTube or if you create videos for in-house agency, there's a license for it. The personal plan covers all of your social media such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and podcasts, while the commercial plan covers your freelancing projects and commercial production for your business. So I highly recommend Epidemic Sound. I'll throw a link in the description to a free 30-day trial if you're a content creator or if you just need music royalty free. Epidemic Sound is gonna have your back. If you have the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, Apple made it a little bit easier for you to track your AirPods thanks to the U1. If you go into the Find My application on your iPhone and tap on devices, you could be able to use the precision tracking. So it's gonna allow you to actually give you turn-by-turn directions on where exactly your AirPods is located. This is very convenient because this is going to work for each earbud or the case itself. And in case you guys didn't know, the 2nd generation AirPods Pro has a built-in speaker, so you could be able to ping the sound if you want to find the case. But keep in mind, if you misplace this, let's say at a park or maybe at the gym and you're at home, you may not be able to use the precision finding. So in that case, Apple gives you directions on where it was last located, and even that, you may go back to your previous location and probably can't find the AirPods then, so you're kind of back to square one again. And that leads me, what about previous generation AirPods? The AirPods Pro 1st generation, the AirPods 3, the AirPods 2, or the OG AirPods? Now we're talking. Of course you want to try to retrace your steps, see exactly where you had your AirPods, check in between the seats or check in the couch cushions or maybe underneath the covers on your bed or underneath the bed. You want to try to retrace your steps. That's the old school way of doing things. Nowadays we have air tags and we can track them, which I highly recommend air tags. But if you still can't find them, the best solution to do is to go on eBay. Now I know eBay is a hit or miss for some people. Some people don't like eBay. Some people have terrible experiences, but you want to look up the model number. So the model number is on the case itself or each individual earbud, and it's going to tell you. So in this case, I have the A2700. That is the latest and greatest AirPods Pro in the time this recording. You may have a slightly different model number. The AirPods Pro 2nd generation is totally different compared to the 1st generation AirPods Pro. If you misplaced the case, look up the model number on the earbud itself. Now on eBay, I see prices range from $39.99 to $75 or even $64, depending on what you're replacing and depending on the sellers. But I throw a link in the description to some of my recommended. The safest option, but it's the most expensive option, is to go through Apple. If you go through Apple, I actually went to the Apple store one time when I replaced my AirPods, and they told me that it's gonna be $69.99 to replace them, but that's for the 1st generation to the 3rd generation AirPods. So if you lose either or bud, the 1st generation, the 2nd generation, or the 3rd gen, it's gonna run you $69 per bud to replace. If you misplace the case itself, it's gonna run you $79. If you misplace the AirPods Pro, on the other hand, it's gonna run you $89 per bud. And imagine if you lost both the left and the right earbud, that's gonna run you a whopping $170. That is basically buying a whole new AirPods Pro at that point. Now here's the conversation between me and Apple. Real quick question.
I'm trying to sneak from all the way back there. Alright, what's up?
Just real quick.
I
have an AirPods here.
Yeah.
I recently lost the ear.
$69 to get a new one.
$69.
Yeah.
You said $69?
Yeah, you need a genius one.
Nah, I'm not gonna replace it now. I just wanted to know the price.
Alright, so when you book a Genius Bar appointment, you come in, you see the technician, they're gonna validate the serial number on that, and then they'll replace it for $69. Alright,
perfect. Even then, ask a friend, see if they have an earbud. Now, once you get your replacement earbud, you just take the case, you put it on there, and then you want to press the reset button on the back of the AirPods. and then it's going to successfully register that earbud. It is that easy. It is that simple. Now, if you want to replace the entire case, you do the same thing. You put the earbuds in the case, you hold the reset button, and it's going to automatically pop up. And yeah, so these things are very, very easy to misplace. You know, you want to be very careful. And yes, you even have a little clip on the side, so you could put a lanyard on there, or even so, if you have older AirPods, I recommend some cases with a little loop to attach to your keys, so you always have your AirPods whenever you're ready. I like to keep my AirPods in my bag, or I clip them onto my keys. When you're talking on the phone, use one earbud at a time, so one is charging while you're using the other one. Or when you're ending the phone call, put the AirPods back in the case, put it in a safe spot. I even recommend like a pegboard from IKEA. Like, there's so many ways to keep your belongings intact. When I come home, I'm gonna get off topic for a little bit. When I come home, I always put my keys at the same place. My wallet, same thing, the same exact location every single time, and that's how it should be with your AirPods. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button with notifications on. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter at Simplypops, and I hope you guys have a simple day.